like, great, I just got back from Guitar Center buying this adapter here. But what it actually was my noise gate. You see, my threshold, right now it's significantly lower. But the threshold comes super high from the factory. It's not supposed to be that high. And I had to call my friend Grid into Discord to get his help tuning my mic because it kept clipping. Now it doesn't clip at all, but I have a noise gate preset. So whenever I load it up, it automatically loads from the last saved preset. So I don't get the clipping anymore.